What's up, YouTube? It's your boy John Doe, and in light of this somewhat chili bowl I got going on right here, we gonna make some chili. Ain't nothing too major. We just opening this here can of chili. Let me turn my video sideways so you can watch with me. We just go open our can of chili here. Yeah, you know I fucks with that Wolf brand. So, there you go. Ain't nothing crazy. Just normal everyday chili. With chili bowls. Shoot, I work for Wendy's. What do you expect? I love my chili. Slap this shit on down in there. Comes out in fat chunks. I think you're doing a little. Alright. So now that you have your chili, now for the cheese. Now for the cheese. Fettuccine, but we ain't no fettuccine. It's just craft. No fettuccines, we just craft. It's cheese. Normally, you know, people do shredded cheese for their chili. I don't give a fuck. 1, 2, I don't have shredded cheese. I'm not rich. So, Food Network needs to put me on to something. I'm telling you. Show you how to be broke and still cook good. Even if it's just chili and cheese. Chili bowl cornbread. Anyway, that's really it, you know what I'm saying? I ain't cooking this shit on the stove. I'm lazy today. So, we're gonna microwave. Chili. Throw it in there for about maybe like 5 minutes. 4. We'll go with 4. See, 4 minutes. And boom goes the dynamite. We will pause for a brief interruption, intercession, whatever you want to call it, commercial break. Be back after these messages. Alright, now as we wait for the chili to do its thing in the microwave, I'm going to add a little secret ingredient. I'm going to let y'all in on said secret ingredient. Parmesan. It's healthy. It comes in a bottle, and yes, it comes in a bottle. But, you know, you got the guy that does the Hennessy. So I gotta do some one-upsmanship. Oh, I can smell the cheese and the chili are cooking. Alright, so we're about midway through our 4-minute mark. I'm going to take this bad boy out. And of course, just to keep posterity, you want to stir it. Oh yeah, you want to stir that shit. Yeah, see that chili and that cheesy? That chili and that cheesy. It ain't easy being cheesy. And the secret ingredients. Beep, just a drop. Alright, one more commercial break and we will return after these messages. And we are back. Say I'm doing this like as if it's a real live show with commercial breaks, because maybe one day they might just do that, so I'm practicing. Anyway, this is the last little segment of the video. As you can see, it's cooking. Once it's done, we're gonna have a little tasting. Oh yeah. Of course, can't have chili and cheese without some crackers. Yeah, I know, it's because I'm white. I get these crackers. Crackers. these saltines. Don't be so salty. Anyway, there you go. Yeah, I think 4 minutes might have been too long. So, I'm going to take this shit out. Yeah, I don't think it needs that long. I just like being prepped. Hot tamale, hot tamale, hot. Alright, now, set this here. Throw your crackers in there. It's a lot easier looking when other people do it. Always have a hard time opening things. Put a few of these crackers in there. And bam, you got chili. Let's get a taste, shall we? Alright, let's get our spoon here. Let's give it a shot, shall we? Oh, wait, one more. As a friend of mine would say, a dab will do me. And now for the final part.